10th टीटी और सीटी के एमसीक्यू सीरीज में से आज से 11 से 11th वन, स्टेट वेदर ट्रू और फॉल्स. फर्स्ट वन, लॉरेंस was a prominent viceroy of India. Second, Curzon was a governor general. Third, James Mill published a newspaper in 1817. Fourth, the British came to India to know its culture. तो यहां पर हमारा सही ऑप्शन है डी. सारे स्टेटमेंट 3 तक के लिए सब ट्रू हैं और चौथा फॉल्स. Question number 12. Surrendering of titles and awards was done under this moment. Options are A. Swadeshi movement, B. Chauri Chaura incident, C. Non-cooperation movement, and D. Civil disobedience movement. Here our right option is C. Non-cooperation movement. 13. Assertion and reason वाले. Constantinople city is considered as a gateway of European trade. Reason: Constantinople city is the trade link city between Europe and Asia. Option codes are here. A. Both statement A and statement R are true and statement R explains statement A. B option, both statement A and statement R are true and statement R does not explain statement A. C, statement A is true and statement R is false. D, statement A is false and statement R is true. तो हमारे यहाँ पर सही ऑप्शन है ए. बोथ स्टेटमेंट ए एंड स्टेटमेंट आर आर ट्रू. स्टेटमेंट आर एक्सप्लेन्स स्टेटमेंट ए. 14. Read the following statements. A. Promoting the use of indigenously produced goods in India. B. Boycott of foreign goods. And C. Establishment of educational institutions. The above mentioned characteristics represent the movement. Options are here. A. Home rule movement. B. Swadeshi movement. C. Khilafat movement. And D. Quit India movement. Our right option is here B. Swadeshi movement. 15. The correct statement regarding the effects of English education in India. A. The Western science and technology were introduced in India. B. The study of Western literature and history changed Indians with a spirit of nationalism. C. Sanskrit and Persian educational institutions were fully patronized by the English. And D. English became the link language and promoted the unity among Indians. तो हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं ए में से ए, सी एंड डी, एंड बी में से बी एंड सी एंड डी, एंड सी में से ए, बी एंड डी, एंड डी में से ए, बी एंड सी. तो हमारा राइट ऑप्शन यहां पर है सी, ए, बी एंड डी. 16. The correct chronological order of the treaties signed between British and native states of India. Option A. The Treaty of Madras, Bassein and Amritsar and Mangalore. B. Treaty of Madras, Bassein, Mangalore and Amritsar. C. Treaty of Madras, Mangalore, Bassein and Amritsar. D. Treaty of Madras, Bassein, Amritsar or Mangalore. So here our right option is C. Treaty of Madras, Mangalore, Bassein and Amritsar. 17. Refer to the given circle below. Select correct option regarding P and Q. P circle moderates and revolutionaries. Q circle. Options are A. P can be Tilak and Q can be Bhagat Singh. B. P can be Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Q can be Bhagat Singh. C. P can be Ram Prasad Bismil and Q can be Surendra Nath Banerjee. And D. P can be Bipendra Chandra Pal and Q can be Khudiram Bose. Here is our right option is B. P can be Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Q can be Bhagat Singh. 18. Among the following statements, identify the right group of statements. A. Kittur Channamma opposed the doctrine of lapse policy of British. B. Puttabasappa opposed the tax policy of British. And C. Halagali Bedas rebelled against the Arms Act of British. D. Sangoli Rayanna captured by British with the help of Krishnaraya. And E. Dhondia Wagh defeated Tipu Sultan in war. Options A, statement A, B, C are true and statement D and E are false. B option statement A, B, C, D are true and statement E is false. And option C, statement A, B are true and the statement C and D are false. And D option, statement A, B, C are false and statement D and E are true. Our right option is here B. Statement A, B, C, D are true and statement E is false. Question number 19. Assertion A. Teen Murti Bhavan is a war memorial constructed at New Delhi. Reason: Teen Murti Bhavan was constructed in the memories of Hyderabad Lawrence, Jodhpur Lawrence and Mysore Lawrence. Options A, statement A is false and statement R is true. B, statement A is true and statement R is false. C, both statement A and R are true and statement R explains statement A. Here our right option is C. Both statement A and R are true and statement R explains statement A. 20. Match the social reforms with their contributions and select the correct answer using the code given below. A. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, Jyotiba Phule and Annie Besant. Contributions: New India, Samvada Kaumudi, Satyartha Prakasha and Gulamgiri. Options is here A, B, C and D. Option A is true here. Rajaram Mohan Rai, Kaumudi, Samvada. Dayanand Saraswati, Satyartha Prakasha. Jyotiba Phule, Gulamgiri and Annie Besant, New India.